The Great Transformation by Karl Polanyi was written in 1944. The main message of the book is free markets, far from being a natural force, are very much a human invention which must serve the interest of a large society and humanity, not vice versa. In post financial crisis era of 2008, in which some view markets are too tightly regulated, his ideas are worth analyzing. Adam Smith famously wrote of man's natural propensity to barter, truck, and exchange. Most economics after him agreed, but Polanyi says there is little evidence for it. In most societies through history, resources were organized communally. It is only in modern times that markets have come to dominate societies, to become the main form of engagement and relation. Before then, in Europe at least, the progress of civilization was mainly political, intellectual, and spiritual. People then and now are not motivated by material goods on their own, but only to acquire them in order to safeguard social standing, social claims, and social assets. Economic activity is a mere function of social organizations. In contrast, Polanyi asserts that richer a country gets under free market principles, the more people will found to be living in poverty. In 1930, as the Great Depression took hold, economic liberalization was finally recognized as a failure. The darker progeny of the system Polanyi contends were fascism and imperialism. Fascism was a reaction to system's failure to create economic stability, and imperialism provided a convenient distraction of domestic woes, including unemployment, balance of payments, and currency crisis. History has shown this view to be rather naive, and therefore the Great Transformation rings hollow to many ears. Still, the book does provide an important warning about unregulated markets. Whenever you hear people are urging that the state is an obstacle in the way of economy, at least consider the argument that the marketization of all aspects of life can have a corrupting effect on state and society. Polanyi's ultimate and very important question is, are we citizens or are we just consumers?